slime. I really like slime. It's really easy to make, so I make it all the time.
Hello, my name's Shola and welcome back to another video. Today I'm showing you my slime starter kit. So as you know, I've shown you my 3 slime kits, but this is a slime starter kit. It comes with a lot more things in it. It's very cool. It includes 10 different things. So yeah, let's get opening it. Okay, so I've opened this before. It has many really cool things in. Okay, let's pull this whole bowl out. Is there anything else? No. And these boxes are very cool. Okay, so we have in here some goggles. You don't need to wear them. These can also be for some like experiments and stuff. So let's open these nice goggles. Okay, they're a bit weird. they're very good in case slime gets in your eyes. This doesn't include glue, but it comes with many more things. We have a very nice spoon. It's orange and it says Sholahs mixing spoon. So it's orange because that's my favourite colour and it's very nice. It's like not a floppy spoon or anything. So that's a spoon. We have our goggles. We also have some measuring cups, because measuring cups are really good. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We have 5 measuring cups, nice ones. It's really cool. Then we have 1 cup, that's 1 cup. So you can measure it out with 1 cup of glue and then about, how much is this? An 1/8 of borax, but they're really cool. We also at the bottom have an apron so you don't get slime on your clothes or anything. It's a very good apron. And you can also put things in your pocket, so for most of my videos I'm going to probably wear this now. Yeah, it's a very cool apron. So I just tied it up. It's very comfortable, and then you have 2 pockets here which you can put some things in. Then of course we have an orange bowl because you can't make slime without a bowl. Well, you can, but it will be a bit weird. So we have our bowl and spoon to match each other just to mix. We've got apron in case you get it on your clothes. Doesn't really matter if this gets really messy. And then your measuring cup. So that's all the things that you basically need. And then you have lots of nice decorations and stuff in this plastic bag. First of all, we have some really cute little containers. So you can like make some little slimes and then put them in the containers. We have our lids here. So that's also quite another thing you will need. It's really cool. Okay, now we're going to empty this out. So, it comes with a lot of things. First of all, it comes with these amazing fruit slices. I love fruit slices. They're amazing to just put in clear slime or something. So you can put that inside of your clear slime if you've got some glue. You've got 5 packs of fishbowl beads. You've got blue. I love fishbowl beads. You've got blue, purple, green, rainbow colours. I have these. And then pink. Wait, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, there's 5 of them. You have 5 packs of foam beads. So you have these little rainbow ones, which are really cute. You have these little pink ones, which are going to be amazing inside. You have these yellow ones. Then you have these orange ones, of course my favourite colour. Then you have some big rainbow foam beads, so that'll be cool to like make a nice white slime or even clear slime. Then you have nice sequins, just star sequins, which you could put in any slime. They'll make it look very pretty. You could also mix them with that. So that is everything for my slime kit, slime starter kit. I'm used to saying slime kit. But it comes with many things, glasses, spoon, yeah. So I really hope you buy this. It's really cool. And I hope you enjoyed this video. Please like, subscribe and comment down below. And bye!